In hotel industry, Tasky is a well-known brand for providing cleaning agents and cleaning equipment. It is a subsidiary of much larger organization Diversey Incorporated. So today we will discuss about Tasky cleaning agents known by R series chemicals. Hello friends, I am Naveen Chahal. Welcome to you all on Hospitality Broadcast. Tasky provides specific cleaning agents for each cleaning requirement, and these cleaning agents are given different codes based on English alphabet R for ease of identification, recognition and use, where the letter R stands for room care. Generally used cleaning agents are R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7 and R9. We divide these chemicals into two groups. First group chemical needs to dilute, means water is added to make these chemicals thinner or weaker. The remaining three chemicals, that is R4, R5, R6 are ready to use chemicals, means you need not to add water. Let's discuss about each one of these in detail. R1 is a bathroom cleaner cum sanitizer. It can be used for all surfaces in bathrooms like sink, tub, tiles, floor, fitting fixtures. For using R1, first it needs to be dilute. For daily usage or general cleaning, add 20 ml of chemical in 1 liter of water, and if you need to sanitize or deep clean the area or there are some tough heavy stains, then add 50 ml of chemical in 1 liter of water. Spray it directly on the surface and scrub if necessary or leave for 5 to 10 seconds. Wipe the surface with clean and dry cloth. Replace the cloth regularly for better results. R9 is a better replacement of R1 for bathroom cleaning in hard water conditions, as it is specifically formulated for hard water. It is also effective for old stain and oily or greasy surfaces. For dilution, add 50 to 100 ml in 1 liter water as per the stain requirement. The rest cleaning process and usage are same as R1. R2 R2 is a general purpose cleaner cum sanitizer. It is ideal for quick and gentle cleaning of all surfaces like cupboard, TV cabinet, picture frames, telephones, tiles, etc. It can also be used for wet mopping and scrubbing with a machine. For dilution, add 20 ml per liter to 50 ml per liter according to the nature of soiling as discussed in case of R1. For a small areas like guest room, spray a small quantity into a damp cloth sponge pad and clean wipe the surface. Buff with a dry cloth for extra shine. Replace the wiping cloth regularly. R7 is an effective floor cleaner. It can be used for wet mopping and scrubbing with machine. Dilution depends on soiling from 20 ml to 50 ml per liter water. For wet mopping, take the solution in bucket and mop and rinse the floor frequently. Alternatively, scrub the floor using either a manual scrubber or use scrubbing machine. Later, pick up the dirty solution using a wet vacuum cleaner. R3 R3 is a glass cleaner which can be used for all types of glasses, mirrors such as windows, display cases, bathroom mirrors. Dilution depends on nature of soiling or stain. Dilution remains same as R1 and R2 depending on soiling from 20 ml to 50 ml per liter water. For cleaning, spray a small quantity onto a soft lint-free cloth or paper towel or directly on glass and wipe surface clean. Buff with a dry cloth or paper towel for extra shine. Don't forget to replace the cloth regularly. R4 R4 is a furniture polish which can be used on all wooden floors and furnishing like table, chairs, wooden cabinets, frames and cupboards. Shake the bottle well before use, then spray it on a soft dry cloth. Apply to the surface evenly and start buffing. Do replace cloth regularly. When used daily, it leaves a deep lustrous sheen on wooden furniture. R5 R5 is a water-based air freshener. It leaves a pleasing floral perfume which deodorizes guest room, offices, corridors, banquet lounges. For using R5, spray upward into the center of room as required. R6 R6 is an effective toilet cleaner which can also be used on urinals. Before using it, flush the toilet bowl. Gently squeeze the R9 bottle to direct under the rim. around the bowl and onto water or flush paths. Distribute with toilet brush. Allow at least 5 minutes contact time. Scrub with a brush or pad to remove difficult stains, then flush to rinse. Well, here is the summary of all chemicals discussed in the video. You can pause the video to check these details. One of the missing agents from the series is R8, which is not a daily cleaning agent. It is a kettle descaler used for removing limescale from metal substances in contact with hot water, such as boilers, water heater, kettles, and other cooking equipments. I hope you like the video. If you do, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe Hospitality Broadcast. Thank you for watching.